Say market in a keke. And I'm who's story now. I didn't about man.
It is because
it
is because you have been involved in this kind of discussion now. So now you know when baby Boba now when baby free bar, you easily detect it. Sure. I think it was on a Thursday. And I found Tino Perez on a Horizonte, a Spanish TV, a interview. And was Charlie. Me wini abani we are. Me 150 million bi o. Me de kwa bid for a player. Na player no oboma team a Champions League. And I go say, hey, Presidente, who say 150 million? No say aye. And someone say Real Madrid abako say we have 150 million into player bi ada. The highest we've bought was Eden Hazard around 100
from Chelsea.
In December, the 150 means that we are ready to break Real Madrid record on transfer and bring in a player. Rich, the moment he mentioned the first name about Beatrice was Michael Olise. Then he went on to say, no, I know Michael Olise. Olise is a great player, but I know Michael Olise. Player now make Wakofano so no. He doesn't play in the Premier League. Into only England. Because say on your Premier League player. Na enye Michael Olise so. Obviously you can't go and buy Lamine Yamal.
And La Liga no so nim say Alvarez no ko Barcelona.
Alvarez squad dey. The answer that mo be a because ono no dia no in the news was Barcelona na Chelsea no. Then go say ana ko Paris Saint-Germain. So ko Paris Saint-Germain player ben na the value here 150 million. Is he going to get Vitinha? And Okofa Usman Dembele aba. Maybe on a Ballon d'Or winner and Tibia on the acquired Bobo 150 million. Then he left it and Okoi. Rich. Oh, we need President New Year. And listen to the story, Wallo. A Real Madrid na. And the official statement. Tio, Real Madrid na. Under the instruction of the president, say, "Moon release your official statement." Say, "Ene, Jacob bid 150 million for Alvarez." Na Yakob yeno, yene Atletico Madrid ayon ko fani en kita hudie papa ntino. Oma dayase, na momo se player no. Omo ntimi nton ne ma yen 150 million. Na se ye won komo bia ne omudi wa Alvarez ho a. And the young refer to the contract, there's a release clause. See, I didn't see a release clause now. Yes, I'm Rebium. Real Madrid. Rich, what does that tell you? How many times? Rich, and the one who's a club B, I could bid for a player. Not club, Nankasa, the official mouthpiece. I'm a catcher, we are singing so. Ya quack or bidiam away, and I bid near quay, reject here. Do you see that? No. So the moment you see that, then you know, say, and you may be than what they really want to communicate.
At least you the pro journalist.
Yeah, of course, Massa more, Maka can
do it. You don't use your handle, your official handle.
Massa. Oh, they are farmer Fabrizio.
No
one can say, hey, Real Madrid the bid nako to Mobia Beje. But for you to come, say, be a Tikomu and Akotoko bid for Salim Adams.
From Mediama.
Then your Kotoko official Twitter handle and as a website at the statement about so Charlie Ebia 500,000 I come Mediama or say yeah Salim Adams ya ko Moses Paka Musi Derby Salim Adams no monton na say yeah I say better yeah ko Salim Adams contract na yeah say release clause bi wom yeah ready yeah emphasize can run in omunni nkomo na yeah ko mo je yeah first part die asese yaba and Atletico Madrid for so the counter statement by say Masa, yes, Remo. And Mamon confuse politeness. Say a gratitude. The moment you say ye damas, ye damas, sama bano. That is not what we did. Ye jeomo falso. We show you politeness. But ya damas, I don't know why I'm in there, damas, my day. Na, mono, ye no more sere because. Momo kura no mutimi esreche Barcelona for no. Na say momo mutimi yin sam kwa mo. But you catch him say Julian Alvarez. That is the position of the club. In the senior Barcelona for me, Sarah Moses Mubabe. Now, Rich, the summary of the equation is here. Florentino Perez is trying to make things difficult for Barcelona to get Julian Alvarez. And upon when I read the article from the Athletic, almost say, almost close sources to Real Madrid say they are not going back with any higher bid. 150 no, and one of the coy. Whether Atletico for Bejo Munjo, it's not something they will even proceed. But Rich, what does that 150 figure? No? Any it's being rejected, no? Information being about Barcelona pursue for Julian Alvarez. Because yet they say Barcelona they handed Nekome wa. And he said, who break you bank? At the 100 ako baby. No, Obi had the one who carry 150 ako. Ne or say or no cry a coin. Ya anymore. Then the Bakwane Basso just any boa who ya and san wako.
The 200 we are now 250 be bra.
Into what Real Madrid are trying to do. We are here analysis. What they are trying to do. And they say, Basa a boa mudada. It will Spain, what they say. And say president, it's now and Maneko say he's not doing anything about Barca dominance and the transfer market to muye ni sanu manomani nyina. And konfo baka so watena mama Barca dominate bibia asa kofa probably the best player of Spain or every Atletico Madrid asa be kan with team no be kala me yama why we need the best player of the Spanish Liga asa be bo mu biem. Enti also keka no ho. Enti I will make things difficult for my opponents. Enti wakobe de 150. Now, Barca can't go to Atletico Madrid with 150. Initially, they wanted to go 100. Oh. Now, you can't even go with 150. Rich, Julian Alvarez, the contracts are what Atletico Madrid. About 2030. 2030. And then the contract be
do more.
And they are so relaxed about the situation. Huh? So Julian Alvarez no cre say was Barcelona no obeboa. Atletico Madrid only problem. But say Barcelona on obeboa. Say no cre say there is a release clause and unim. Interestingly, probably I'm here to do more research. But Rich, the articles I'm reading from very, very good sources, none of them have been able to quote the release clause of Julian Alvarez. Doesn't mean say Obien nim figurana. And say even up to today, Obien Vambaya, me program ya will check other sources and see, especially the Spanish ones in Abia, na Obiaka. And one the article we say they know the figure. But Rich, Julian Alvarez, a few Man City ba Atletico Madrid no. O share ne value or share 29 goals last the first season of Bayern. And the last season or share 20 goals. So in 2 seasons, we are more close to 50 goals now. Last season, we shared 10 goals in the Champions League. So Barcelona some the Champions League. So he brings you goals in that competition. You are closer to winning that competition, And see, Obia open and say he's I say oye the final chain to so now person or the kwakwa. So ne boarding. Rich. Even without us knowing from any of the sources, how much do you think say Ayano Cressa or release closer Eshim Emma Julian Alvarez?
But also,
yes, probably close to 200 million. And that is money Barcelona can't pay.
Because all triggers are not fun.
You can't pay.
They are 500 million euros. And then the release clause.
500
million.
million.
I have not seen the figure. I will be, you know me, I will be truthful. If I know, I know. If I don't know, I will tell you.
Now 500 million, even Saudi teams in the world, it will show so better trigger 500 million.
Yeah, now what the 500 million means, and they say they know any payable will be intimate. So then what it means, and they say it gives Atletico Madrid the upper hand in negotiation. It was all bad on your mobile casa. Na only negotiate fee no. And I'm not surprised. Barcelona, I am a club. Rich, even Gavi Muni Pedri, won't you say you know almost a contract extension? Near more will release cost 1 billion euros. Which is it doesn't make sense. All that we are saying is that if you want a player, you come to us. You will negotiate with us. A boy be born I'll be to you and look, what Florentino Perez has done is to make the job difficult for Barca. And yet chin mathematics biya. Opesa Barca for whom say Adiana mo ye no be able ye you see the move obi awa ha se koto wura na Alvarez abeka ho no ye be ma aduma na ye diama mo and ye soja to momo camp ho then you bring in Morino kune na ye so abehwe hawa ye be ye nneoma. Look, me di we to this an information. You say Real Madrid concentration, and that is why you clearly see through the Omaye no say kukwasa Rich. According to journalists on mobile Real Madrid, baby, omo person omo reinforce omo team no right back. That is the reason why they are bringing in Dan France from Inter Milan. Omo say omo nye sika ehun dwo a omo betimi asa invest here. They will invest in left back. What it means is that omo left backs no omo one Frank Garcia, Felon Mendy, Alvaro Carreras, Eddie omo mebiako. Then maybe a back and they will add one hour very, very formidable. Almost per center back. Now, any center back be a can almost per center back or leadership qualities to come and add to almost center backs now more CCA.
Already, you are taking Konate.
So that is why probably they will bring in Ibrahima Konate, Ababe Shemuno. Then they want one creative midfielder. A right back, left back, center back, creative midfielder. That is Real Madrid or more priority.
So Alvarez no crowd on common plans on ground. Almost same market naked.
Yes. Barrage. Se offer Real Madrid omani muhona. Would they need a forward? Because Ayakwa say se offer Vinicius. Now for Mbappe. Real Madrid, Real Madrid a team of superstars. It's front trainer. The other side no so no. If they get a superstar, they will bring. Enya Masantuano mo. Enya Brahim Diaz mo. Enya Etorebia Ada Gule mo. They probably want to bring a superstar. But Ubekaya Mas Ababe reports say, even before Mourinho touches down, he has told them, say, Charlie, I don't want more superstars. More chaos in the dressing room. They will fight for this badge. And I understand why Mourinho is doing that. Because, Rich, so Otun anywhere Catalans now, as so dominating Spanish football now. Rich, did we bring superstars to make this Barcelona team? We didn't. Their Hansi Flick and their Becker team is mentality. And it's that is the reason why all of a sudden Rafinha status Akosoro. Everybody knew Rafinha was a good player. But in the last 2 seasons, Rich, well, where you name him among the world-class players of more years because of the output. She may be a Lami Yama free buy. Look, at the end, Lami Yama Ronaldinho. But because of GDBA, Hansi Flick the bad team. Today, the guy plays as if he's on top of the world. A comedian, he wants to achieve something. Into Oyini Yembobono. Ayasana Femi Lopez Mone Daniel Omomo any Pedrimo. That is all that Hansi Flick their come. So Jose Mourinho is trying to tell them, say, look, say Barcelona no mudo mu hu atomoso. And ama she say obi edi areho ha. Me ba. Barcelona didn't go and buy players like I say 200 million omo da be your team no. A nibre within the team. The mentality change na mo team yesa. And if any Rich, just imagine. She a Nibra Rafinha de Bobo. She a Nibra Lami Yama with the bobo. Lewandowski akokra we kwa no okọ hwe Ferran Torres obemu no be so tremika. Look at the way the players want to die for Hansi Flick. Imagine the same attitude with Mbappe, with Vinicius, with Shomani, Federico Valverde, Jude Bellingham, Ada Goulet, Rudiger, Eder Militao, Trent Alexander. You could imagine the same attitude. And you get to say Trumika, you ever tackle, you ever together, you ever a chair together, you ever defend, you ever attack. Imagine, just imagine that same mentality. Just believe, say, it is just about say a mentality, and if they do that, they will be ready to fight for. And your market, you know, the Real Madrid spirit before the team and in the case you know and they'll be competing again. So that is it. Yeah, that for Florentino Perez, I didn't know why Barcelona for. Yeah, then I say pa. Yeah, then I say.
I know. Pena me catch a Gabi production. Madrid don't move for Julian Alvarez in your way.
Yeah, then I say.
Marketing on person of Senna.
Yeah, then I say.
Into the 150 because when very well say, Barca no or the 100 no koi. So maybe the 150 near reject here. So yeah, Barcelona. Clearly, a catch was 100 no crowd here. Omu Musa Council Crumba 20 baby. And you know, yen Casa Brass Bracrana Betnasi. Don't even talk to you. And the market no almost they don't need the boy.
Or yama a poster and impressions as on no crown player and Muno. On you're ready to sell.
Oh no, that is
no, that's not the and your mama and I clear. No, and may I understand Atletico Madrid.
Why will you have to say about it?
Because a direct competitor.
Yeah.
League na airborne, only Real Madrid and Barcelona airborne. Omuni Julian Alvarez no go show. At the league na it says obenya o priceless. I mean, but show him so I agree with them.
So do baby so. O sanso say Andre Beta or former sporting director. On it and Hill said better says so Arsenal.
Oh, Arsenal.
On it and Hill. Oh yeah, almost CEO. Time now, Alvarez joining from Man City.
Yeah, Befiano.
Contractor, it was enshrined in the contract. Say at any point, player no, who can say, or free team no, and yet sir, change now 500 million euros.
Oh, of course.
Clause no, release clause no. Side crash will say Champions League team will swear. Player no one can. But also, baby, I'm a bass and swing and they say the player is willing to join them.
Sure.
And they'll push it for it.
Yeah. In a way. That is why, in a smart way, so what situation na see you first meet the players' agents. No? They understand all the clauses in the contract. And that is the reason why sometimes you need a sporting director. I tell us for the panel. You meet the agents. Chalemuna Brandt and Yamodia. Muna money and Kofano sign contract a fan. Yepese fan. How do we approach the situation? They will tell you, I am no correct. There's a release clause, maybe 500 million. But when you say 500 million, it's shame. But there are Numa 1, 2, 3. A trigger Emma price in the back around this figure.
When you say,
500 they will call us as a grand representative say Barcelona the deal about 100 they are reject you. So when they call us to the table, we will go and tell them so okay. Yeah, any brand didn't come on, say club rubber so come. It means that we must find solution so that he goes to join them. Into Moxica said a bar and pa mobeji. They will probably say they are 200 million. So Barcelona say 200 million there. And they omunyam famba. I can't so soccer. Into engineer crown on you know biaho. How do we meet in the middle? Strike a deal, no biaho. You get your money.
Yeah. Sure.
Usika or the Koto Brantiano service or the amount in a Usabian for so you get your money. Aquano so will get in the dream club so kobo no yana sum jedi bon. So they will find solution
to be 120 be add-ons
be Madrid here player because Ayala onim say player ni agent no Fernando Hidalgo no omo na di nkomo o say Madrid ending kan bibi I'm trying to be somebody
Yemrefi na yemfa Black Stars nkomo no emfa entwa so and a Black Stars nkomo no me pese Henry Asante Chum and